Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, October 17th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 69 degrees and a low of 45 degrees.
It's getting colder. Happy Dyslexia Month. Today we wear red to bring awareness and show support to people who are dyslexic.
Get ready to decorate a pumpkin like your favorite book character. Next week we will have a pumpkin decorating contest. More information coming soon.
I wonder what I should do. Today's lunch options are broccoli cheddar baked potato, chicken Caesar salad, or a chicken sandwich.
That sounds amazing.
Weird but true. A chess grandmaster played 326 games of chess at the same time. She won 96.93% of the time.
What?
There's no way.
You must be really good. In 1888, Thomas Edison files a patent for the first movie. Well, I guess that answers who made the first movie.
So cute I can't. Big Mac had a long road to a happy ending after being surrendered to McCamey Animal Center in Chattanooga, Tennessee. He struggled with life in the shelter, so after 260 days, a volunteer decided to foster him. In no time, she fell hard for the once fearful dog, and she wasn't the only one in love with Big Mac. The shelter staff gathered to give their longest resident a standing ovation as he left the building for the final time.
Bet you didn't know a hummingbird can fly backwards.
Wow, that's cool.
Did you know that?
No. Now here's Ellie and Gracie for the joke of the day.
Hey Gracie. Yeah? What do you call two friends who like math? I don't know. Algebras.
That's all for today.
Let's
say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Bailey.
And I'm Carter.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons.
Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. See you next time.